how to remove recently played on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply show you how you can remove recently played songs on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove recently played, first of all I'll show you what the issue is. You have to open the Spotify app, and then if you actually look down you'll find a recently played section. So previously what we used to have is we used to have the option to actually long press on it, and then we would find the option to remove it from recently played. But now you do not have the option, unfortunately. Even if you have a premium account or a free account, it doesn't really matter, because Spotify itself does not have the feature right now to remove the songs from your recently played section. So instead I can offer you two alternative solutions. So let's say that you are sharing an account with your friends and family. You don't want to let them know that you've listened to this specific song, right? And you just want to remove these songs out of the row. So there is just one thing you can do. If you look closely, this recently played features up to 12 recent songs that you've played over here. So the end is actually the 12th song. So what you have to do is, in order to, let's say, remove this specific song from this list, we have to listen to actually 12 random songs on Spotify just to move this one to the very end of the screen. So when I listen to a random song on Spotify right over here, and then I just come back, it is basically going to remove that one to the third, and then it is going to move to the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and just after that it's going to completely disappear. So if you're sharing this account, I'll just recommend you to do that, because obviously there aren't any other ways. The other thing, however, is that you must have turned on this feature before, and that is that you can listen to songs anonymously on Spotify. So to enable this feature, just come to your home page, tap on the gear icon from the top right, scroll down, and then look for the option that says private session. So we're going to scroll down and then look for the option called private session over here. When we turn this on, start a private session to listen anonymously. Even if we listen to whatever song, Spotify is not going to keep track of it. Now this feature must have been enabled before, but obviously this is the only way we can do it right now. But hopefully these two alternatives can at least help you solve your problem, because Spotify doesn't have a direct way to remove the recently played. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.